Hello there. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of having a financial plan. Specifically, how having a financial plan can help you get out of debt and save money for the future. Dave Ramsey has proven that there are 7 steps that can help people become debt-free and achieve financial freedom. Let's take a look at each step. Step 1 is to save $1,000 for your starter emergency fund. This is your first step towards financial security. Step 2 is to pay off all debt, except for your mortgage, using the debt snowball method. By focusing on paying off your smallest debt first and working your way up, you can gain momentum and motivation to pay off all your debts. Step 3 is to save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. This will give you peace of mind and financial security in case of job loss or other major life changes. Step 4 is to invest 15% of your household income into retirement. This will help you build wealth and prepare for a comfortable retirement. Step 5 is to save for your children's college fund. If you have children, start saving for their college education as early as possible. Step 6 is to pay off your mortgage early. Once you've achieved steps 1 to 5, focus on paying off your mortgage early. This will give you even more financial security and freedom. Step 7 is to build wealth and give generously. Once you're debt-free and financially secure, you can focus on building wealth and giving back to others. By following these 7 steps, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. It's important to remember that becoming debt-free is not a quick fix, but a long-term process that requires commitment and hard work. But with a solid plan in place, you can take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. So if you don't already have a financial plan in place, now is the time to start. I've listed some resources that will get you started on your journey to financial freedom below. Dave Ramsey. Dave Ramsey is a well-known financial expert who offers practical advice and tools to help people become debt-free and achieve financial freedom. The Financial Diet. The Financial Diet is a website and YouTube channel that focuses on personal finance for millennials, offering practical advice on budgeting, saving money, and investing. NerdWallet. NerdWallet is a personal finance website that offers a variety of tools and resources to help people make informed financial decisions, including advice on credit cards, loans, and mortgages. The Simple Dollar. The Simple Dollar is a personal finance website that offers advice on budgeting, saving money, and investing, as well as reviews of financial products and services. Investopedia. Investopedia is a website that offers a wealth of educational content on personal finance, investing, and economics, including articles, videos, tutorials, and a dictionary of financial terms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with others. Until next time.